Right, you're going to choose an apple.
Ottalie and Grandma are baking. They're making an apple sponge.
These little things right here, they're going to be pretend sweeties.
Shall I help you to put these on?
It's supposed to be big, little.
Oh, I see. I didn't realise that you've got a pattern that you're working to.
Could you cut this diamond for me?
Oh,
Looks like a diamond.
oh, good.
Thank you.
That's all right.
I'll put the diamond there.
What are we going to put on the top of it to make it into an apple sponge?
Sponge!
Yes!
Ottalie gets all the ingredients she needs. And scales are good for measuring.
Why? I've never carried this before.
You've done very well. Right, where does this go? Where do you think that goes?
It goes on top.
All right, good girl.
In goes the butter,
It's all slippery.
Ooh. Oh,
followed by the eggs.
Knock on the door.
knock on the door.
Cracking job, Ottalie. Now for the fun part. Mixing!
There we go.
Whoa.
That's it. And turn the mixer on
To five.
to 5. Oh, look at that.
It's going all in little pieces.
Time to add flour. It could get messy.
Can't see through my glasses now. Yeah, turn it off now.
The sponge mixture is nice and sticky.
There we are.
And it goes all over the apples.
Big blob.
There. What do you think?
Grandma helps Ottalie put it in the oven to cook.
That's it. High 10.
Bingo bongo.
Yes.
Okay, let's get the squirty cream out.
Can we have both?
Yeah, in case we run out. Right, go and put those on the table.
We got squirty cream.
The apple sponge is ready to eat. Who's going to be lucky and try it first?
Let's ask Daddy because he's my very special boy.
Okay.
But it's delicious.
Bit more?
Grandma.
Is that enough?
No.
That's enough, isn't it?
Good.
Okay, is it nice?
Oh,
Isn't it?
it is.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Is
It is.
Cheers!